YouTube fam? It's your boy TitanicFeet Jack back at you again with another video. And of course, I got that heat on deck. But before we get into today's shoe, I'd like to send a shout out to the TF gang. What's going on with y'all? How y'all doing? Let me know how y'all feeling. Drop a comment in the comment section and put that hashtag TF gang behind it. And if this is your first time seeing one of my videos and you like what you're seeing here, go ahead and subscribe to the channel. Also, turn on your post notifications so you'll be notified every time I drop a video on YouTube. I need everybody that's watching, go ahead and smash that thumbs up button. It doesn't cost a quarter. Just hit that thumbs up button. It helps out the channel, and I greatly appreciate it. Now, getting into today's shoe. This shoe I purchased in 2020 last year, but I didn't get it until this year, 2021. You see a brown box, says Nike SB. My very first pair of Nike SBs. Let's go ahead and read the label. It says Nike SB Dunk High Pro ISO, color light photo blue, university red, size 14, personal pair, price $100 US. That was the retail price. Look at the box, says Nike, and the swoosh name or stripes or trademarks. And it has in a couple other different languages, excuse me. Nike SB, same thing on this side, bottom of the box. Let's get into the shoe. I'm excited about this sneaker because I've been eyeing it for a while now, and when the price got right, I went on and copped. You see that standard white tissue paper, and whoa, look what we have here, the Nike SB Dunks, the Doraemon. Give y'all a quick look at that. It's my first SB, y'all. I'm gonna take the other sneaker out of the box, give y'all a 360 view of what we have here, and I'm gonna come back and we're gonna discuss the shoe. Yes, guys, we have the Nike Dunk High SB, the Doraemon. Little background on Doraemon. He is a Japanese anime character. They got a little cartoon with this guy, Doraemon. There's a picture of Doraemon. Yes, this shoe was made in the likeness of Doraemon, and that's why this sneaker earned their nickname. Looking at the sneaker though, you got the light photo blue on your overlays and a nice short grain, the suede material. It's not really a lot of brushback motion, but man, it's a nice color. You got white on your color blocking, and you have a red, university red, that is, Nike swoosh. You have your midsole white, light photo blue at the bottom, which leads to the outsole, and this is how the outsole of a Nike SB looks. It's a little different than your regular Nike Dunks, but the Nike SB Dunks, your outsole looks a little different. Looking at the back of the sneaker, you got this white leather. This white leather is very tumbled, guys, very tumbled. Look how tumbled and soft it is. Hope you guys can see that on the camera. And you have more of that light photo blue suede right here. Looking at the inside of the sneaker, just like the outside, you got your light university blue overlays in that suede material. And I still have them laced up, but this flap does peel back. And you continue on your overlays with that photo blue. Red Nike swoosh coming around from the other side. And your midsole with the white and university blue midsole. Looking at the toe box, look how soft the leather is on the toe box. Look how tumbled. They put together a great sneaker, great materials, great look and everything. Comment below. Let me know what y'all think of this sneaker. Is this sneaker on your radar to cop for 2021? A sneaker you'll definitely have to reach back for. When I saw the sneaker, and I know it was coming out at skateboard shops, but I'm not plugged in like that at my skateboard shops locally, but I'm working on that. I'm going to make that change in 2021. You got your SB laces. You got these university red laces. It does come with additional laces. And on the other sneaker, you have the white laces. These are laces that, those are the only laces that come with this sneaker. You have a mesh tongue. You have your gold lace holder right here, and you have that gold tongue with, tag on the tongue with the Nike SB on there and white lettering. On the back, you have that, the other side of the tag, and you got that university red piping around the tongue. And on the inside, you got an orange colorway. And there's also a pocket here. And this pocket is deep. My middle finger is pretty, I have some decent length fingers, and I can get my middle finger all the way up there. So this is a nice deep pocket. That's one of the features that Doraemon, the character, actually have. So that's why they put that on here. You can stash something in here, but I'm not stashing anything in my shoes unless it's an extreme emergency. You have that university red sock liner. Nice smooth material. And looking at the insert is light photo blue, has Nike SB, and you got Zoom Air also in that in white lettering. Let's take a look at the sizing tag. Says US size 14. Production date April 1st, 2020 to May 12, 2020. So you have like a month and something of production with these. Come stuff with this tissue. So let me know what y'all think of these sneakers here. Me, I had to have this sneaker. So that's why I reached back and I got it. I was so happy I was able to put this in my collection. I was hoping it would have got here in time for my top 15 countdown of 2020, but unfortunately, it did not make it in time, because this definitely would have been in my top 15 sneaker pickups of 2020. So comment below, guys. Let me know what y'all think of this sneaker. Let me know what y'all think of the video. And before we go, I'd like to tell y'all, we on the road to 2K subs. So tell a friend and tell a friend. Hit that subscribe button. Let's continue to grow as a family. TF gang in the building. And if you can help somebody get a sneaker, help them get that sneaker, because you never know when it will be your turn to need help getting a sneaker. I'm TitanicFeet Jack. I'm signing out.